What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your boy KOBK. Salute. And the KOBK stands for Knocked Out by Knowledge. This video that I'm doing this morning is one of the many videos that I've already done and that I will continue to do. This is a follow-up series, a follow-up continuation of the powerful strategy called reckoning. Now, this morning is a little bit different, and I'm a little bit sauced up because I had a video that was getting ready to get sponsored on one of our many platforms. I therefore here not mention the name, but they decided not to sponsor my video. And I looked at the reasoning, and their reasoning said trading results unrealistic. And let me tell you guys, I was heated when I seen that, but yet at the same time, I understand why. I understand why they said that was because the type of trading that I'm doing. And let's be realistic. You don't see many individuals teaching on 5-second entries and executing. You don't see many individuals teaching on 10 and 15-second strategies on binary options and executing. Not only that, you don't see many individuals who can take that strategy, configure it a little bit, and move it over to the Forex side and still be dominated with it. Look, I've been doing this for over 9 years. There's no fluff. I'm 100% real, and I'm going to give you the real. I'm going to show you. I've been doing this for over 9 years. The strategies that I've came up with, I got a whole book of different strategies. And when I first started, the strategies, they were iffy, they would hit, but they weren't adaptable to the market conditions. But as I continue my journey, as I continue to learn different strategies and different skills and hone my own personal skill set, put my time and my hours into this, I've made it better. But this is what they don't like. They don't like that I've been able to simplify this so that anybody can understand. Look, I'm going to be real with you guys. We've simplified this so much that my brother and myself are able to go into these public schools and private schools and teach the kids about financial literacy. Now, I'm talking about the financial literacy when it comes to the lingo, and then I'm also talking about it when it comes to trading and the Forex market, the foreign exchange market. We can do stocks, we can do crypto, we can do commodities. It doesn't matter. See, the way that I teach and the way that I instruct in such a way that anybody can understand. And I make it so simplistic that a child can do it. Let me take you over here real quick. Let me just show you something, because I don't want you guys to think it's just fluff on what I'm talking about. So what I want to do is I'm going to show you a website. Look at this. This is my brothers and myself website. We have a whole website where we're not just keeping this, what we learn, for ourselves. We're giving back and we're instilling within the community. And what we did was we started within the impoverished neighborhoods, the impoverished schools, because we already know that the wealthy schools, the well-off schools, are already getting this education. You got 5th and 6th graders already talking about stocks. See, one of the common things that we knew in the beginning is that money is not talked about, especially where I come from. You don't talk about money, but we wanted to change the trajectory of our youth. So here's a website. Here's one of the schools. There's many more, but here's one of the schools where we went into the schools and we started teaching the youth about security, start teaching the youth about trading in the Forex market. A lot of these kids didn't even know what Forex was. A lot of these young individuals didn't know what the American dollar stood for. They didn't know it was USD. They didn't know about the Japanese yen. This is what I'm doing. So I'm a little heated when I get a little something like that, because I put in my hard work and my time to give back to individuals who know nothing about this. I put in my work and my time to give more back to the community for the individuals who've been in this space and still have a lack of understanding. That's what I do, because that's the gift that God has given me, to actually look into the market and break it down, Find a strategy where everybody can win, everybody can understand. And the beautiful thing about it, it's on their own time. It's on their own schedule. It's at their own pace. That's what I do. And let me go back to the school. Not only do we go into school and we do it one time, no. We go back to these schools and we'll do it for 4 or 6 weeks at a time. And let me tell you, the schools, they like what we do so much, they bring us back every single year. So don't tell me what I'm doing is unrealistic. It's not for you to decide. It's not for you to decide if it works or not. And if you really want to decide, try it for yourself. If you really want to decide, get on one of these calls and let me walk you through on exactly how to do this. So enough of that. I'm done with that. I love y'all. Let's get to the bag. Now that we back after that commercial break, we're going to have a little fun. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go over and look at our currency strength meter this morning and go see what opportunities are presenting themselves this morning. So I'm going to go over here to forexfactory.com and you guys can do the same thing. And today, that is not right. Today is not Friday. There we go. Today is October 31st. It is Tuesday. We have a bunch of yellow folders, meaning we can trade those pairs. But at 2:40 a.m., JPY had a red folder. So a lot of brand new traders don't know how to trade red folders. A lot of experienced traders do not know how to trade red folders. So if you do not know how to trade a red folder, stay away from it because you don't know what's going to happen. And actually here, this is BOJ press conference. It's not like a Donald Trump press conference when he used to say something, the market would go crazy. So this is a little different. We don't have any actual number percentages forecast or previous. We don't even have a graph for that one. But today, 8:30, we are exactly past 8:30 right now. So CAD, USD had some red folders. We'll look at it, see what's going on, see what type of opportunity is presenting itself. But more than likely, we may just stay away from those. But I will show though, so we can look at it and see how the market is moving and how the reckoning strategy actually works towards that as well. So what I want to do today is I want all of you guys to bring up your pocket options. I want you guys to be on demo. I'm going to look for trades and I'm going to call trades out. And I want you guys to hop in the trade. And I want you to tell me if you clear the trade. Cool?
All right, cool.
So now, as I'm doing this, I'm going to be talking out loud, as Nelly loves when I do this. I'll be talking out loud, walking myself through this strategy while instructing you at the same time. So I want to look at my balance real quick. This demo account has only 28 in this one. All right, I'm going to mark this down. And on my demo account, I will be taking $1,000 trades. I will only be trading OTC pairs today. And currently, as of now, I am trading only 10 seconds. All of you guys should have your indicators on your chart. Miss Milo, do you have your indicators on your chart yet? Awesome. Tony T, you good to go over there?
I'm good to go, bro.
Awesome. We are on 15-second candles today. Yes. And I'm going to go ahead. I see that AUD USD. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple pairs. So right now I'm adding all, let me see. I'll count them for you guys. I'm filling up the top of my screen. I added all pairs up to GJ as of now. Up to GJ. Those pairs are paying out 92%. You know we love the 92%. And I'm going to find us a setup. Now, I did add an additional indicator to my chart this morning. I added the zigzag. I'm looking at something else with making this even better. So you guys do not have to add that right now. This is just what I'm doing right now. And actually, I'm looking at what I wanted to see with the zigzag right now. Oh, it broke. It broke. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and find our very first setup. All right, we have a cross here that already happened. We could possibly get one going to the downside. We got another fractal. So this is for you guys. I'm actually going to walk away from this one right now because I have a fractal here and a fractal here, meaning price is stuck in between there. So I really want to wait till price break out past this level. But if I look to the left, I have another fractal here. So that's another zone where price is stuck. So I really need price right here to break below this triangle before I enter for continuations for the sell. And it looked like we might get it. We might get it. Little pullback. We might get it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and go to the next. I'm not going to wait. Nope. We're going to find our setup. All right, here we go. We look good here. We could probably catch a couple of them going to the downside, but we need price to be under. We need price to close underneath this red line before we enter for a put. And we just got a fractal, so it's a reverse. So now it's turning into a buy. We need green down here. We need green here. We got the cross. We got a green. We are above our red line. I need price to break that level. I may enter. As soon as I get a green here, I will enter. It's probably going to be on the next candle. Now, when I take this trade, if I look over here to the left, I have some zones here. Triangle, triangle, triangle. I really need to break those levels to get the breakout to the outside that I really want. So I'm being patient. So we are on EURNZD. So I'm going to go to the currency strength meter real fast. EUR is stronger, so I'm just waiting for the breakout to the upside for EURNZD. We got a pullback, so now I'm looking for sales. Why am I looking for sales now? Because remember, guys, we know the overall trend, EU is stronger, but it broke underneath that red line. So if your candles are underneath, you're looking for sales, and if it's above, you're looking for buys. All right, come on, break these levels. We're breaking, we're creating a new high. I will enter this trade on the next one. I will enter at 1. I'm going in now. I enter that trade. Got a pullback. I'm in profit. I want more. I need more. There we go. There we go. We're in profit. There we go. I will enter again. That's a clear. Once this gets to 1 second, I'm entering again. I'm in there. I'm in there. I'm in there. We got a pullback. That's really a good entry for me. We got a pullback. So now I'm watching. I got a little resistance. Now look, I do have a floor here. So I lost that first one, but my second one is going to clear, and I'm entering again at 1. I have nothing telling me to get out of this trade right now. So I am taking every single trade. And there we go. There we go. We're clearing again. Boom. Let's go ahead. Let's get one more. Let's get one more. I see a little pullback. I'm still entering at 1. The reason I am continuing to take every single trade because I have nothing telling me to get out. I have nothing saying abort mission. I don't have a fractal telling me to get out. We lost that one, took less. I'm going to enter again at 1. I'm in there. I don't have a fractal telling me to get out. I still have green above my red. I still have green bars down here. So I am taking every single trade. I'm about to enter again. Entering at 1. Entering at 1. Boom. I'm in that trade. That's a beautiful pullback. But I'm taking 1 here. I'm in for 10 seconds. Push up. Push up. Now I see I'm losing momentum. I lost that one. I'm going to wait. I'm still going to enter again, though. I'm still going to enter at 1. I'm in that trade again. Now I got my fractal. So that is my caution. That is saying, hey, wait on the market. It's not ready. We need to clear. We cleared that trade. I'm still going to take this one because everything is still saying buy. That's just a caution. I'm at 1. Boom. Let's go. I wish I got a better entry there. I tried to get it before that spike up, but it jumped on me. But it's still a good entry. We'll see what happens. So I'm going to take a lesson. I'm still taking this next trade, guys. We don't win every trade. We win way more than we lose. There we go. We're in profit. We call it a beautiful wave. We can realistically end the class after our first find. Come on. That's a clear. I don't need you to tell me good job. I'm entering again. Once it gets to 1. Once it gets to 1, boom, I'm in there. Let's go. Give me the push up. Everything is still telling me buy. Green, green, above our red. We're green. Come on. Okay, took a lesson. That's fine. That's fine. We got a little pullback. She's getting exhausted. Be careful here. Be careful. There's a fractal. I'm going to wait. Now, the reason I decided to wait on this one, even though everything is still telling me buy, right? I did have a fractal appear, but this candle did not create a higher high. This candle did not close above this candle. It did not. That's why I paused. And I'm glad I did, because we would have lost on this trade. And I'm still going to pause because this candle has selling pressure above. How do you know it has selling pressure above? Because there's a wick that's pushing the candle down. So what I really want right now is I need a candle to break above this level for buys. There we go. Up, caution, red. Nope, it's red. That's red. I need to wait on the green. There we go. Stay green. I will enter this. Nope, no, I'm not. So what happened was I was going to enter this trade for another buy if that candle would have closed above this line where this fractal is, but it didn't. It pulled back. So that means that floor turned into the ceiling. So it went up and it hit that ceiling and then it came down. And thus you see the red candles. I'm telling you guys, this strategy is so fire. It tells you what's going on before it happens. That's why we were able to clear all these trades almost. Like, do we got to go look at it? Did you guys take those trades with me?
I did.
How did you do? Did you clear?
I did very well. I cleared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and took a lesson on one.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, I'm doing 5 seconds.
Woo! That's the other part. You on the advanced session right now. You're on the advanced session. But that's awesome. That's awesome. So now, look, we're getting the continuations again, right? So we can take these now. So I will wait, and I will enter this trade at 1 because nothing's telling me to get out. The market came, it pulled back. I'm going to enter this trade. The market came back and it pulled back with this red, and then she went green again. So look, we're going to continue to take these trades. And I'm going to wait till 1, then I'm going to enter again because nothing is telling me to abort mission. Now I have a fractal. Remember, that is a caution. That is a warning. Those fractals mean that the market is ready to turn and go the other way. I took a lesson there. That fractal is telling you that the market wants to come down. So what we must do is either let the market retrace and come down, or the buyers come into the market and push it up so high, so much momentum that we can continue to take that trade to the upside. So we have red, we have green, we have green. So what this is divergence, because everything doesn't line up. We want everything to be fluent. So we're just waiting. We're waiting for green, waiting for green. So Tim, I see you just hopped on. This is the answer to your question. Now, Tim's question was, sometimes you'll take the trade when there's a fractal, sometimes you won't. So right here, there's a lower fractal. But if price right here pulls back down to this level, and I get green here and green here, I have room for price to continue to go up before it hits that next fractal. So I can literally trade in the zone like here. So if I was to get green candle here, still green here, price is still above, and this line was above that fractal for a buy, I would have taken that for a buy because it still has room to continue to go up. That was a good run, y'all. That was a good run. That was a good run. So hold on one second. So with that being said, for the individuals who know I'm talking about, i.e. companies, that's why this strategy is so successful. That's how we utilize this strategy. It's very, very powerful. And I understand that a lot of individuals are not used to strategies this way because no one teaches how to trade this way, but I do. Anyway, it's your boy KOBK. We out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and let's get it. And if you want to hop in on one of these sessions so I can teach you how to actually use this strategy on your platform, you can either join us or contact me and I'll send you what you need. Websites down here below, go check it out. Many strategies on there where you can be successful in the market. Read through them, read over them, and see what best suits your trading style, because they all work, but we all trade many different ways. We out.